You know, I feel like I've been here before. Are any other couples in the building adopting?
Is that couple on the first floor? Because we should get a baby before them. Yeah.
But then, I decided to take it to the next step.
You're building a post office?
No, an entertainment unit with a mail cubby built right in. It's a one-day job, max.
Okay.
So then President Steve told everyone I was a cheapskate, and now the whole building hates me. You know, a little kid spit on my knee. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to throw a party. That's right, for everyone in the building.
It is so good to see you.
Yeah, she came all the way back from Ross's building. Oh, the things she must have seen. And then she climbed up the fire escape.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word building. It means a relatively permanent enclosed construction over a plot of land, having a roof and usually windows and often more than one level, used for any of a wide variety of activities, as living, entertaining, or manufacturing. Also means anything built or constructed. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce building, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to bill. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how building is used in real life.
If you want to get Joey a Christmas present that disrupts the entire building...
That happens in another building that I manage. People are going to start asking questions. Come on, hurry up.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to the building. I'm Steve Serra, president of the Tenants Committee.
Oh, hi.
Back when we were building houses in Uruguay.
After I've buzzed you into the building.
Guys, I just heard in the elevator this morning that a woman in my building died.
And I'm Rachel, an admirer of the building.
Welcome to the building.
You know, this building's on my paper route, so,
Sitting up here in your fancy small hall building.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.